Okay, this is your girl Bombshell from Beauty and Makeup Lounge, coming back with another quick video. All right, y'all, I'm coming with a quick weave wig that I'm going to show you how to start this wig from the beginning to end. And these are the items I'm using. Again, I may and may not use the blonde hair, the 613. Not really sure yet, but stay tuned to the end to see whether I use the hair or not. But a quick run through. I got some 27-piece hair I had before. And this is the 4-inch. And these is other pieces I may use for the sidebar. I got 2 packs of 8-inch Yaki 100% microwave hair. And again, I got the 613 straight human hair. My flat irons, I got me a closure. I may or may not use that as well. Rat comb, all-purpose comb, the white eyeliner. Of course, if you already follow me, you know what I do with this. A razor comb, hair glue, spritz or sheen, and a dome cap. And pretty much this is the same dome cap, but it's in the package. So yes, this is what I'll be using. And of course, you will need your head. So let's get into it. Okay, people, I have traced out the lines with the white eyeliner. Of course, you already know if you follow me. Like I said, you know, that's what I do with the eyeliner before I even start. These are my ears cut out. This is where I want the hair, the 27-piece start and stop. And pretty much in this section, this is where the 8-inch hair will be. And the same thing on the other side. This is where the closure will be. And this is the center of the cap. I have my plastic bag underneath to protect my head. And that's pretty much it before you start gluing the hair down. Next, you want to get your spritz and just saturate the wig cap. And this will help the wig cap or the glue to lay on the wig cap and glue down easily. So just get your blow dryer and blow dry it dry. Okay, this is where I have finished applying the 27 or 28 piece, 27 and 28 piece of hair on the sides. And basically what you will do next is just shave this down with your razor comb. You could also use clippers, but I want a shaggy look, so I'm going to go in with the razor comb. And then I will be applying the 8-inch hair in the center. Okay, y'all, I'm going to give y'all a little quick tip. As you can see, I have begun laying the middle section, but I'm not laying the track straight across. I'm actually giving the track a smiley face. And this will help the track to overlay over the 28-piece, 27-piece hair on the side. That's what you want. You don't want to be straight across where it's even. You want it to overlay it. That way when you cut it and the wind is blowing, you don't get to see these tracks right here. If that makes sense. So again, you want to take the tracks and give it a little smiley face. As you can see here. Give it a little smiley face so it's overlaying the tracks on the side. Okay, this is the finished look once you have glued all your tracks in. And as you can see, You have the 28 piece underneath. And this is the back side, which we're going to go in and add some layers in the back. We're going to give a bow cut in the front. So definitely stay tuned. Okay, this is the finished look of the bow mullet haircut quick weave wig by your truly Bombshell. This is the front view. There is the side view going into the back. Of course, it's tapered down in the back on the sides. This is the back view. And again, it's the opposite side. So yes, this is the finished look. Stay tuned so I can try this on for you. This is your girl Bombshell. Okay, ladies, I'm coming back with a quick video to show my new cuts. And this is the bow mullet quick weave wig. Check it out. Very sassy and bossy. Definitely book this look at styleseek.com/bombshell. And ladies, follow me at Shop with Bound to get the pink ice. For more information, inbox me. Have a blessed day. Love you. Bye.